Welcome to Guido's Playhouse at the White Elephant. Today we're sharing with you the must-haves for your home bar when you're ready to renovate. So outside of the bar, we went with this beautiful bar rail. It adds a lot of comfort for your guests when they belly up to the bar for happy hour. Rest your arm there. See how nice that is? Okay, second we did purse hooks. Must have the ladies covered. Your purse goes right here. We also have a great foot rail, metal, custom made, attached to the floor, attached to the wall. Great for easy access in and out of your bar stool, which should be comfy cozy. We have leather. We're not afraid of it getting dirty or scratched. We want it to feel really lived in around here. Okay, back behind the bar. You must have a great backsplash. We went with the antique mirror, but have fun, choose something that you love, and that's a great background for a TV, of course. You have to have something exciting, sports, whatever you want to watch, but something cool there. We've elevated our bottles, so that just makes a statement in and of itself, right? So everybody can see what we have to offer. That's really fun. We do have a fun Tito's dispenser, so if you like Tito's, come on over, have a drink with us. Down below, we have, as you can see, 3 items here. 1 beverage cooler for all of our soft drinks and mixers. We have 1 beverage cooler for all of our beer and seltzers and wine. And of course, you must have an ice maker, right? So ice maker ready to go. We have a dishwasher, glass storage on either side up above. We have all the bases covered here at the White Elephant. But maybe one of our favorites and a guest hit is what we did in the sink, which was the glass washer. So you're done mixing your martini, easy cleanup. How cool is that? Okay, I think that's a really good start for your home bar. Let us know if you have any questions. Otherwise, we're gonna get to happy hour. Cheers.